Welcome! If you want to customize volume panel styles into a REALME C11 2021, first of all go into Play Store and find Volume Styles application. This one. Need installing, wait a second for install, and then click open. And now need choose your volume styles panel, for example like iOS, so click it and click here to button start to turn on this style. So then need to give accessibility for this application, click here to switcher and one more time into your settings accessibility, so click here, allow. And now when we see stop button in the top, we activate our new volume styles panel like iOS. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.